Are you not entertained? Who will be my next challenger?
Your next opponent will be
Optimus Prime, the almighty devourer of world of galaxies and many gadget.
Bringer of Destruction, version 10,000.
Mama!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
But to be clear, the person in that video that you just watched is me. Well, it's the digital AI version of me. Now, not only have I figured out how to create a consistent character of myself, but now I can generate these hilarious AI skit videos. So for those of you who don't know what a skit video is, it's essentially just a short, funny video with a punchline at the end.
Hey ChatGPT, can you plan my entire week for me?
Hey Danny, why don't you go yourself?
Now, believe me when I say this, it's actually a super simple process to create one of these videos using a bunch of AI tools. So first you need to train a model of yourself using a FluxDev LoRa trainer on a website called Replicate. Now, if you're new here and you want to train your own model, check out this video with a complete guide. I'll put the link in the description below. Next, you need to figure out the plot to your skit video. And if you need help brainstorming, go ahead and use ChatGPT. Skit videos can be very short. I mean, have a look at this example I did with literally just 3 shots.
Hey ChatGPT, let's create a diet and exercise plan.
But Danny, didn't we create one a few weeks ago?
You know what? I don't need this negativity coming from you, ChatGPT.
Now, the prompt that generates each individual shots is broken up into 2 parts. What the character looks like to maintain consistency between shots and what is happening in the shot. Now, once you're happy with the image, we can now convert it to video. I'm using Runway Gen 3, but Kling AI also has amazing image to video quality, and they just released their own lip sync feature. Now let's add some dialogue to the video. In Runway, I click lip sync. For my own voice, I literally just talk through the microphone. For other characters, I generate the dialogue using the text-to-speech option in Runway. Now to add some sound effects, I go to 11 Labs and I use their text-to-sound effect option. It's pretty simple. You just literally write in what you want the sound effect to look like. Rinse and repeat this process for the remainder of the shots to make up the scene. Put it through a video editor and touch everything up. The whole process can be done within literally 15 to 30 minutes. Anyway, guys, here are the rest of the skit videos that I created. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Okay, I can't be late again, or I'm definitely not going to get the job. Oh, for f***'s sake.
So tell me, Danny, why should we hire you?
Well, Jennifer, let me start by saying...
Did you just shit your pants or something?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to leave the premises now.
Welcome back to The Price is Inflated. Navneet, it looks like you're ready. Would you like to solve the puzzle?
Thank you, Chris. Yes, I would definitely like to solve the puzzle. I'd like to put this one to bed.
Alrighty then, Navneet. You got one chance to get this right. For $1 million, what is your answer?
Bros before hoes, bitch.
Well, that's not quite right. We apologize for the misunderstanding, folks. The correct answer was actually Bows Before Shows Which, written by the author Donald Sullivan, 1965.